Hi students, today we are going to learn chapter 3 Computer Organization. Secondary storage devices. These devices serve as an addition to the computer primary storage. Computer has limited amount of primary storage and it is expensive too. So we can use secondary storage devices to store the data and programs permanently. These secondary storage devices is also called as backup storage. Hard disk. It is a magnetic disk. Using this disk, we can store the data permanently. Inside the hard disk, we can save the data as stack arrangement. The hard disk comes with single-side and double-sided disk. The abbreviation of CD is compact disc. It is made from polycarbonate plastic material with 1.2 mm thickness. A thin layer of aluminum or gold is applied to the surface of CD. A small indentation between the data in the CD is called as pits. The area between the pits are called as LANs. CD player used to play CD. CD player having a motor inside it to rotate the CD. This rotation makes us to watch what data inside that CD. The capacity of an ordinary CD is 700 MB. And next one is DVD. Abbreviation of DVD is Digital Versatile Disc. DVD is an optical disc capable of storing 4.7 GB of data. Compared with the CD, it is more than 6 times better than CD. It is used to store better quality of movies. We can read the data from CD and DVD with laser. We can have this DVD one or two sided or one or two layers too. Depending on the coating, we can easily identify whether a DVD is single layer or double layer. Double layer single side are usually in gold colored. Single layer single side are usually in silver color. Flash memory is one of the storage device. Here we can erase and reprogram the data electronically. Flash memory offers fast access time. Access time means how much time taken to read or write operation of a character in memory. The capacity of flash memory may be 1 GB to 2 TB. Flash memories are used in personal computers, PDA, audio players, digital cameras and mobile phones. Pen drive and memory cards are the example for this flash memory. Blu-ray disc is a high-density optical disc like DVD. This type of disc used for PlayStation, games and high-definition movies. 50 gigabytes of data we can able to store double-layer Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray disc use blue-violet laser to write the data, whereas DVD use laser light to read and write the data. So this disc is called as Blu-ray disc. Ports and interfaces. Inside the CPU, motherboard has many input-output sockets that are connected to the ports and interfaces. Ports and interfaces we can find on the backside of your computer. We can connect external devices through these ports and interfaces. Various types of ports are serial port, parallel port, USB port, USB 3.0, VGA connector, audio flux, PSD2 port, SCSI port and at last HDMI port. Serial port used to connect external devices we can found in old computers. Same parallel port also we can found in old computers. This is used to connect print. USB port also used to connect external devices like camera, scanner, mobile phone, then hard disk, printer like that. The abbreviation of USB is Universal Serial Bus. The third major version of Universal Serial Bus, this standard used to connect computer with other electronic gadgets. This USB 3.0 standard can used to transfer data up to 5 gigabytes per second. Afterwards, USB 3.1 and USB 3.2 are also released. VGA connector is used to connect display devices like LCD projector, monitor. For audio flux, we can connect speaker, microphone and headphones. Keyboard and mouse are connected to the computer through PS2 port. SCSI port used to connect hard disk drives and also network connectors. At last, HDMI. Abbreviation of HDMI is High Definition Multimedia Interface. Using this port, we can transfer uncompressed data, that means video or audio, from a video controller to a computer monitor or LCD projector or digital television.